Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? Today we're playing a game called Which Side is Better? I don't know why I'm frowning. Left, right, left? Which one? I'll be doing my makeup and hopefully you guys will be learning some new stuff. New makeup stuff. Alright, go around. Whoa! Oh my god! Okay, guys, you need to see this. Where is my phone? This is going to be the first time I'm using this eyeliner and check out how smooth it is. I don't want to dip my brush in there. I don't want to mess it up. Why do I have this massive urge to poke it with my finger? Oh my god, this felt good. This felt good. I'm starting off from the lower lash line. With my little angled brush, I'm drawing a line super closely to my lashes, like super close, and then I'm dragging it towards the tail of my brow. Alright, now I'm creating like a little triangle there. Can you see it? Yeah, you can think of it as a triangle, but it's also an empty wing of an eyeliner. Oh, I love the part when I'm filling it in. I like this eye better already. One thing I forgot to mention is that you don't want that eyeliner to be perfectly sharp. Sorry, it's a little too late for me to smudge it now. See, it's not smudging because it dried out. It's not going anywhere now. However, I want my eyeliner to look nice and smoky. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking a flat brush, and on that flat brush you can see that I have some brown eyeshadow. I'm using this one over here, just the basic brown eyeshadow.
Did she really just call me basic? Oh.
Just pressing it on that edge, and you can see how that brown eyeshadow just melts that edge. It instantly diffuses everything without even blending anything yet. The magic of the basic brown eyeshadow. I don't know, that was weird. Now if you want to take it one step further, you can take a blending brush. I mean, this is more like a smudging brush, and I'll start going left and right, left, and you guessed it, right. Smudging the edge, that's what I want to do. Adding a little more brown eyeshadow because I lost some of it with the blending. My brush just ate it. You know how when you're sweeping the floor, some of that trash gets trapped in the broom. I know that this is a very weird example, but hear me out. It will make sense at the end. That's exactly what happens with your blending brushes. Your brush is stealing your eyeshadows. I'm so sorry you had to hear it from me. From me. That's not always a bad thing though, because sometimes we're using blending brushes to get rid of the excess eyeshadow that we have on our eyelid. Think of your blending brushes like brooms, but don't sweep your floor with them. That's not a good idea. I'm gonna take one of these pointy Q-tips. These are the evil Q-tips. That's how I like calling them. They look aggressive. You say the wrong thing and they stab you in the ear. Very aggressive. I don't think that you're supposed to use this in your ear anyways. I'm gonna soak one of those with some makeup remover. I'm just gonna... That didn't do anything. Well, I'm gonna try again. That kinda did something. It's a little better. We're getting there. Yes, something like this. My hand is a little too shaky. I blame the coffee. I don't feel like myself when I have my hair like that. Like, I wanna put it up. I don't like when my hair is down. Oh, hi. Now I look like potato.
With a fierce eyeliner on.
Looking like potato, but look at my fierce eyeliner.
You jealous?
Look guys, you can already see how my eye looks a lot more... Whoop. It looks a lot more elongated, especially from far away. Look how bigger this one looks. And we're not done yet. Now I'm gonna take some of the... Hold on. I have a better idea. Changing the plan. I'm gonna take some of my gel eyeliner again, but this time I'm gonna use a brush that looks like this one, small, tiny, and flat. Okay guys, check this out. I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid, and I'm already starting to kind of diffuse the edges. You know, I'm working really quickly with that eyeliner, trying not to create any harsh lines before it dries out, because once it dries out I won't be able to do anything. I'm sometimes learning from my mistakes. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is going to be the edgy eye. This is going to be the... You can't sit with us eye. Where this is going to be the... Oh, who said I want to sit with you? You're not that fun anyways. Too much drama. I'm already confused. I don't know who I am today. Glam or edgy? I don't know. Actually, I know. I'm hungry.
I don't like food. I love it.
I'm gonna do exactly the same thing I did to blend my eyeliner. So I'm gonna take some of that basic brown eyeshadow over here. This... Yeah, this is my fault. Rest in peace eyeshadow. Basic brown eyeshadow again on my brush.
I'm not basic. Stop it.
Top of the excess and then just patting it on that edge. It's gonna do its magic. We've already seen it. Switching to a blending brush and just going over it, over that edge. I don't have anything on my brush, but if I want, I can take some lighter brown shade, or otherwise called beige. I can take some of this beige eyeshadow over here and it will help me a little with the blending. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Circular motions. Maybe I can add some black. Wow. Looks like this black eyeshadow has been through some stuff. I don't remember what I was doing with this one. Honestly, I don't know. I'm gonna take it on my brush just to make this look a little darker. See how it adds darkness? Yep, that's exactly what we want. And this will also set my gel eyeliner in place and make it a little more long-lasting. Basic brown eyeshadow on the edge. Big fluffy brush, blending. I want it to look like the black eyeshadow is hugging my eye. I'm gonna do that by adding some of that black eyeshadow along my lower lashes as well. And then once it's there, I'll just take a pencil brush and smudge it. Wow, what a difference! Oh my god, look at my eyes. They look like they belong to two different people. Now this look is quite dark. I want to add some highlights because shadows need highlights. Everything is so much better when they're together. I really like this white shimmery eyeshadow over here, and this is the ColourPop Stone Coat eyeshadow palette, and this is going on my brow bone like this, just for some light. See? You can see it there. So pretty. Wow, a little in the tear duct. I told you, everything looks better when there are shadows and highlights. Okay, now I'm gonna add some falsies to these looks, and this is how they look without any false lashes, and this is how they look with false lashes. So before, after, before, after. Where is my black eyeliner? This one that I'm using today is by Melt Cosmetics Ultra Matte Gel Eyeliner in the shade Onyx. So I'm gonna take a little more of it just on the tip of my brush. And now here is a very I forgot the word. I need my hand to be as steady as possible, but that's kind of impossible because the coffee in my system is a little too much. Hey, I can always take a little more. I created a little line in the tear duct of my eye over here. This is going to make my eye look a lot more extended, like whoop. Tight lining my waterline with black pencil on this eye and with white one on the other one. Look how different my eyes look from far away. Wow. My job is done here. Now it's your turn. I want you guys to tell me down in the comments which side is better. I don't know what was that. Moment of truth. 1 or 2? 1 or 2? These are two completely different looks. Obviously this look is... I almost poked myself in the eye with my finger. Finger wanna attack my eye, but I said no. This one is more soft, more glam, wearable as well, where this one is like, hi, I'm here. Now don't worry you guys, you can say that you like both of these looks, or you can say that you don't like either of them. That's okay, that won't hurt my feelings, I promise. We can still be friends. I don't want to affect what you guys think, but I would say that this Foxy Eye makeup, the number 2, is a little more wearable for me. I feel like I would be able to wear it on more occasions, where this one is very specific. Like I need to have a very specific occasion to wear a look like that. It's both. It's a little too bold for me, I'm not gonna lie. I really appreciate you guys being here today, watching this video. You can check out my first which side is better video, or you can check out this video right here. I don't know what YouTube suggests you, but it must be good. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!